Are wheel spacers really bad as they're often portrayed? Let's debunk some common misconceptions. Wheel spacers aren't just for aesthetic appeal, they're also functional. By spacing the wheels out from the suspension, they provide a sporty and aggressive stance, reducing wheel gap and enhancing the overall look of your vehicle. Most people will agree that the car looks better with wheel spacers. But it's not just about the style. These spacers also improve stability and handling, offering a smoother ride. So it's clear that wheel spacers are not just about style, they're also about enhanced driving experience. But what about the practical benefits of wheel spacers? Well, they offer some serious perks. By increasing the track width, they provide a smoother ride. They also bolster vehicle stability and handling, giving you a solid grip on the road. Plus, they offer better rollover resistance, keeping you safe in tricky driving conditions. And let's not forget wheel clearance issues. Wheel spacers prevent wider tires from rubbing and clear brake caliper interference. Thus, wheel spacers contribute significantly to your vehicle's safety and performance. Now let's talk about an innovation in the world of wheel spacers, the BONOSS Forged Active Cooling Wheel Spacers. Their unique feature? An active cooling system. Picture this: pedal-shaped grooves designed to allow continuous airflow as the spacer rotates. This airflow actively dissipates heat from the braking system, keeping things cool under pressure. It's not just about functionality, it's about smart design for optimal performance. These spacers are not just functional, they're smartly designed for optimal performance. But there's more to BONOSS wheel spacers than meets the eye. If you're thinking of installing performance brakes, these spacers are your best bet. Crafted from robust aluminum alloys, they offer strength and unparalleled corrosion resistance. But BONOSS doesn't stop there. They've taken it up a notch with a black hard anodizing surface treatment, enhancing not only the spacer's resistance to corrosion, but also their aesthetic appeal. So the next time someone asks, "Are wheel spacers really bad?" you know exactly what to say.